Yeah.
We got a little over 2 inches of snow today.
We got some, but it was like 34 degrees, so it just melted really quick.
Yep.
Yeah, it's all slush out there now. My drive, it looks like a slush fest.
Here we go. All right.
What'd you guys think of the material?
It's pretty easy, I think.
Yeah.
I think I followed it okay.
This
so.
week was actually kind of hard for me. I couldn't follow it that well. So
What's that, Eric?
this week I had a hard time with the material, so just with the calculations and stuff, you'll have to.
I really. Okay, 1 second. Every week, I wish I had a notebook and a pencil, and every week I have to do everything by memory. I'm gonna be right back.
I can't deal without a notebook and a pencil.
I can, but then I'm screwed when the test comes along because I haven't done any of it on paper.
Sorry, I didn't hear you, Scott.
I said I can, but when the test comes along, I get screwed because I don't know how to do any of it on paper.
Yeah.
Oh,
Or I don't know. I know how to do it in the moment, but when but I don't write it down, so I forget it all.
Okay. We do questions 1 and 2 yet?
Yes.
I'm ready.
For sure, just racing ahead of me.
Yeah, look who's talking.
Okay.
All right. Is number 3 16.45?
That's what I got.
Okay. Cool.
So how do you guys get that?
It's m, the margin of error, equals z times sigma over square root of n.
Is there an
So-
easy way to put that onto like Excel because my brain works well when I can kind of see.
All you got to do is you go to the applet curve and put in 0.9 at the top.
Okay.
Oh yeah, there's a
Give
little
you-
list that gives you the z-score.
So
Give you your
0.9.
Z.
Z-score of 0.126.
1.645. Wait, what? I
His
got
Z score.
I get 1.645 for my z-score.
What do you highlight? Do you highlight
The
both
side.
sides?
The middle.
Okay.
Highlight the middle, blank the sides.
Oh, you mean if
Okay,
you're selecting the area?
1.645,
Yeah, 1.645. Yep.
and that's the answer.
No. Then you do, that's your z-score. Then you do times the standard deviation over the whatever.
The square root of n.
So it's 25 or 50 is your standard deviation and 25 is your sample size n.
Okay, so you do the 1.645 or the z-score times the standard deviation.
Oh yeah, over the square root of n.
Okay.
So,
Which is 10.
yeah. Yep.
Do you get that, Eric? Eric?
Yeah.
So you get 50 over, you get 50 over 5. Answer would be 10, and then 10 times the other, you just move the decimal place one place, and you get 16.45.
So do you see that?
Okay.
Maybe. Oh,
Yeah.
that's how you do it.
16.45 then, because
Yeah.
like he said, times 10. Okay. That I can digest. I can look over.
So really, you just got to know what
Thanks.
formula to use. If you can figure out which
Yeah,
formula to
exactly.
use.
I was just trying to figure out the formula and I got mixed around, and so thanks.
Yep.
Okay, for 4, is it x bar is a point estimator of mu?
Yes.
That's what
So B,
Yeah.
that's what I got. So now isn't this one just breaking down the equation? It says, what is the point estimate for the GMAT score? Wouldn't that be just 526?
No. What?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think you're right. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
526.
Yeah.
And then you do the same thing that we did in question 3 for question 6.
Yes.
Yep.
So you'd have to go to the applet and figure out what 0.95, which is 1.960, I think it is.
Yeah, there's a
Yep,
chart.
1.96.
0.95 is 1.960
Yep.
There's a
for your
chart
Z.
in the textbook.
So did you guys get 27.685 for your margin of error?
Yes, that's what I got. 27.685.
What was the x bar again? 526.
526.
Wow, this is easier with a calculator.
Do you have a calculator?
Yeah.
I just use my phone.
Well, I've been using Google, the search part that has a calculator, but it's a huge pain to use.
Yeah, it is.
Do you have your cell phone?
Yeah, but now I have this calculator, and it's the easiest. Because you can subtract the previous answer from your current number. It's really nice.
So the lower, you just use the
It's x bar minus the confidence interval.
Okay, so it's x bar minus
I got-
the answer we got.
I got 498.315.
That's right. And then just add to do the upper one.
For question 7, 498.395.
Yeah.
315.
315.
And then I got 553.685 for 8. You understand on that one, Eric?
Not really. I'm sorry this week.
No, I'll help you. So the formula for the bottom is X bar minus Z star with the standard deviation over N squared. And the upper interval is X bar plus Z star with the standard interval square root of N.
You said 553.685, right?
I got 553.685. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
So Eric, which part of it is hard?
Just plugging in the equation, but now that you guys gave it to me, I just couldn't.
You're just having a hard time identifying which formula to use, right?
Yes.
Do you have do you guys print off the reading material? I can't just read it off the computer. I have to print it off on paper.
No, I just look at it.
Last page has a summary of all the formulas that we need in this one.
Oh, really?
Is it locked? Oh.
The last page it says summary and it has the information.
See right here it says remember, and then it has all the has all 3 formulas right there to follow.
I didn't remember that your door had a lock.
What?
I didn't remember that your door had a lock.
I didn't either. I was so good. Like, somebody knocked. I was like, come in, and nobody came in. So I was like, okay, I'm not going to get up to open the door for you.
It was a very Alex thing to do, to knock and then not come in.
Yeah. It's so weird. Okay. I don't know how I accidentally locked it either.
Well, it's a little button me thing, so.
Yeah, I guess. Okay. Anyways, where are we now? Are we on 12 yet?
Well, are you okay, Eric?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get it all plugged in and stuff and catch up with you guys, but we can go. So have we done 9 already?
9 is decreased, so it'd be C. You guys agree?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then 10.
It would be increased, right?
Yes.
Because the Z-score would go up.
Okay.
Yeah, because basically what you're doing is you're saying we want to guarantee that the numbers between, like, we want to be 99% sure that it's between these two numbers. So then you have to increase the width to catch more numbers.
Oh, okay. And it's just the opposite.
Right.
$11. Is this like the same stuff? Except no.
I know.
Second verse, same as the first.
Well, it's switching to giving us the margin of error. It's kind of dumb because it's just, here's a formula, and then we're going to give you all but one of the numbers, and you have to solve for it, which is just algebra. But like, whatever.
So we're solving for n here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
50 equals 1.96.
Yeah, that's the last formula we learned. So it's Z star standard deviation over the margin of error squared.
Well, all the formulas today were the same. They just moved things around a little bit.
Yeah. They just use algebra to change them up. It's nice that they even just do it for you, so you don't have to use algebra. I didn't
I
realize.
got 246. Hopefully I did it right.
Yeah, 245.86 is what I got.
Yeah, we have to round it up to a whole number.
Yeah.
245.86.
Just round it up to the nearest whole number.
So 9. 245.9.
Be
Or-
246.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Different
So
numbers.
this is the same as
Question.
it's just the same as just got a lot of digits.
The standard deviation is
36 for 11, right?
30.
You don't have to use all these numbers, do you?
No,
Most of them
I
are
just threw them
seven
out there to
number.
mess us up.
Well, it is statistically interesting. It's just saying the null hypothesis is that the mean is 100,000, and they're saying it's not 100,000 with a level of significance of 0.05. So all those numbers mean stuff. They might ask questions about it.
Yeah, but for 12, it's not. Some of them aren't relevant.
For
Yeah.
12, it's just the formula that we've been doing.
Yeah.
No. So you got to throw in that does not equal sign into your calculators.
Wait, what?
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I was like, wait, I don't know if I have a does not equal sign.
I say that's not in my formula.
Does that mean I win, Scott?
Oh, freak. Yeah, you won.
Did you get my message? You
Wait,
can
where's the confidence level?
No. What is the mean?
So popular.
I got 99,000.
Yeah, it's 99,000 and like 1, right?
What?
It's like 99,001.
We have to round to the nearest whole number.
Oh wait, how do you? So you take the level of significance to find your z-score, right?
No,
Wait, how do you find your z-score?
it's 1.96 because it's 95%.
Okay.
Yeah. Finally got it.
Wait, where?
Yeah, 99,002 is what I got.
Of the 5 rounded.
What?
Nothing. I'm just catching up now. And then for the upper limit, would it be
Be that.
122,998.5?
Yes, it would be. But then you'd round to the nearest whole number.
Yep.
Is that what you got, Chris?
22,999.
Yep.
Yes?
Yeah.
Because we got to go to the whole number.
Oh, I'm stupid. Wow.
For you guys, on these answers, should I be putting a comma in there or just the digits?
Wait, I got 100, just the digits. I got 100,999. Did you not get that, Chris?
For which question?
The 13, 100,999.
I got
13,
one.
I got 122,999.
That's what I got.
$11,000 minus 1.96.
Because the add subtract is 11,998.
Okay. Wait, so is the formula you used 111,000 minus 1.96 times 36,730 over 6?
Well, over 36, that would be 6 on the bottom. Yeah. Square root of 36. So it'd be 6 on the bottom.
So 111,000 minus 1.96 times 36,730 divided by 6.
Yep.
Okay, that's 99,002, right?
Right.
And then the distance from the mean, oh, it's the distance from the X bar, not from the mean. Okay, we're good.
That's why we
So 122,999.
122,999.
Yeah. So 12 is 99,002, and then 13 is 122,999.
That's what I got.
Yeah.
You guys agree?
And like
Yep, that's what I got.
like Chris was asking, do we put a comma?
Don't put a comma. Okay,
No commas.
question 12.
Thank
What
you.
was the answer we got?
99,002. 99002.
Quick question. What was 6 27.685?
Yeah.
And 7 was 498.315?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
So did you get 110,002?
For
12.
no, 99,002.
99,002.
That's not right. That would be the distance from the mean, not from the X bar.
Don't you just take what was the dang it.
Formula was sample mean minus z-score times.
So it's the sample mean minus the M. So it'd be 111,000 minus approximately 998. Right?
Yeah. Which comes out to 99,002.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like that, simply.
111,000 minus 998 is not 110,002.
No. Is that what your calculator gets?
Wait. Why are you
So you got
subtracting?
111. We're going to subtract 11,000 right off the get.
Something about this isn't making sense. So it should be X bar minus Z, X bar minus M, and X bar plus M. So, okay. Like, this is, like, in the end, I may look really dumb. Just keep that in mind.
No.
So
Fine.
for
So it's 111,000 plus in the one, but this is the lower end. So it's 111,000 minus the standard or 1.96 times what's the standard deviation? Can you give me that?
36,730.
Yep.
Over 6. Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Like, are your parentheses right? Or
I just plugged in the wrong number.
okay.
There's lots of digits.
So we
So
good
I
to
think
submit?
14. I think 14 is all the above.
Yeah, it is.
Yep. Yeah.
Are we submitting?
Yep. We did it.
All
Good
right.
job.
We're the best.
Thanks for helping me out on that, guys.
Yeah.
You bet.
We're the
Having a hard
smartest group. Ain't no group smarter than us.
Nailed it. Oh yeah, Scott, I learned something really distressing.
What?
So you know how I and maybe we are really anti-aerobic activity?
Yeah.
So it turns out, you know that old phrase that like, oh, like if you do math and stuff and like musical instruments, it'll make you not have Alzheimer's later.
Yeah.
That's like totally bogus. But what is true is that your brain will be better at thinking. You'll be smarter and your brain will be healthier and you'll be less likely to get Alzheimer's and dementia if you regularly aerobically exercise.
That's lame.
Huh?
But I don't like a robot.
I know. I want the truth to be different.
Let it. Can I just do puzzles to avoid Alzheimer's?
No correlation between like puzzles.
Then why do they don't have puzzles in those little hospitals?
It's fun,
Because it's fun for the Alzheimer's.
engaging for them.
Every time they see they have like a new puzzle, it's the same.
Right. No, seriously, the only skill that crossword puzzles increased is the ability to do crossword puzzles.
Well, I think that the more you use your brain, the better off you are. One of the things that cell phones came out is you don't have to remember anything. It's all in your phone. You know, when I was your guys' age, we had to memorize phone numbers and had to carry around a book with stuff in it. But, you know, most of the time you had to memorize phone numbers and all that kind of stuff. And so you used your brain a lot more, where now we have all this other stuff that for us.
It's true.
Harder for us to even think about stuff.
Yeah, I'm just bummed that I have to exercise.
Yeah, I just do.
Because it's like before that, it's like you'll die of heart disease, and I'm like, well, if you go when you go.
You gotta die
Not
something.
I don't want to die of Alzheimer's. That's the worst.
Yeah, my
Stay away
great-grandma
from
had
cooking with aluminum utensils.
Yeah, true. Don't put a fork in the microwave and then eat with it.
Wait, what?
That's your point for the day.
Why not?
Yeah, that's wisdom right there.
There's no reason. It's just an old saying.
I do that all the
I thought it was don't put a fork in the toaster.
Right,
I
true.
done
Also true.
that.
Different reasons. Okay. See ya on Thursday.
All right,
Okay.
thanks, guys.
Have a good one, guys.
Bye.